Hello! Today's a summer Friday. It's gonna be shopping and working and getting ready for the weekend, and I feel like low-key getting ready for Monday. I feel kind of messy, but I'm gonna do my makeup and then we have donuts for breakfast and then it's gonna be an amazing day. So hey, my name is Jess if you're new here. I'm gonna get all my makeup together. I'm gonna go for a lighter makeup look today mainly because it's too dang hot out and I just don't care. I do care, that's not true. I care about looking presentable, but I'm also just like, now that I'm doing lighter phases of makeup in addition to the full face, it's making me realize how I just almost like it looking lighter a little better, especially if I'm not gonna be like taking photos. I feel like it just works. Okay, I washed my hair 2 days ago and I didn't blow dry it correctly and it just has not sat correctly ever since. I cut all my hair off though. Can you see? It's like a tiny ponytail. I love having my hair short for summer. So today we are going southwest because I think we're going to Lakeway, I think. I'm excited though because they have a Torchy's there that I like, and so that's gonna be fun. And then what else do they have? Oh, they have a good Marshalls, and I am such a Marshalls TJ Maxx Ross girly. Okay, so I have the Professional Primer. I think I'm gonna do the Benefit Primer. I have the Hydrating Camo Concealer from e.l.f. I have my powder, my MAC. This is the foundation powder. I think I'm gonna do these instead of doing, what's the word? I think I'm gonna do these instead of doing the foundation. Just gives me a good matte finish that I like, and no one wants a matte finish these days, but I'm gonna go back in and we're gonna fix it. Yeah, there's like no cute way to do mascara on camera. And then I kind of just look for the sparser spots. Okay. So I always keep this magazine in here for when I need to fan myself and dry my spray. Right now, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the Living Proof dry shampoo. All my stuff is sample size because I buy little bundles. See, the problem is I don't feel like the roots are greasy. I feel like the underneath of my hair is greasy because it's a million degrees here. Hang on, let me fix this. Okay, I'm gonna let that like marinate for a sec and then I'll come back with fixed hair and I'll come back with an outfit. Okay, sprinkled donut for my Friday breakfast treat. You can laugh at me, it's okay.
I don't want to be in Walmart.
Okay, outfit of the day. I'm wearing this t-shirt I got at Marshall's. I actually love these and I own them in a couple different colors. Then my shorts are just from Walmart. Got my little Adidas on, sunglasses, purse, kind of a chill day, but this is me trying to look cute and casual for a shopping day. We're in the car in line at Costco waiting for gas. So we just finished up at the bank. We had to stop there real quick and then we're driving to Bee Cave to go shopping today. So I'm really excited. A lot of times their stores just have like different selection, a lot of times better. And so we're doing some shopping for clothes, seeing what we see. So it's gonna be a good day. So we just switched sunglasses because she said she didn't like these, which I put these on and the whole world turned yellow, but they work with my outfit. And right now, oh, well, no, I think the whole world has like this, I don't think it looks pink. I think it's got like a warm tint to it anyways.
But these are good.
And watch so I don't get hit by a car. What you thinking?
Color.
I like it.
Yeah, it's kind of natural. I think it'll stand out too much. But yet it'll give a little pop.
Okay, we just finished up at Marshall's. We've got our bags. I was gonna show you what I tried on in the dressing room, but their dressing rooms are under construction and the line was like crazy. So I will do a try on haul when we go home. So for me today, we're doing like some clothing shopping just because I feel like I'm kind of trying to fill in my adult closet post-grad, who I am now. But so like Marshall's is my happy place, but we're about to go to Lowe's for mom because mom loves to go into a good Lowe's or Home Depot. We're looking, yeah, we're looking for a Pride of Barbados. They're gorgeous, and every time we see one on the side of the road, mom wants one. So this Lowe's is so big, I'm excited. Here's H&M. I had no idea H&M was here, but I just saw a sign for it and we drove right in, and now we're gonna go see what we can find.
Where's the door?
So this Torchy's, I enjoy it so much and I'm so glad we're here. So we're gonna get queso and tacos. It's gonna be so good.
If we can park.
If we can park, no, right. This is a really cute little square. It's got the lights. It's 1,000,000 degrees out today, so we gotta sit inside. If you've stuck around this long in the video and are here to watch this, thank you. I ended up buying 5 things and returning 2, and then when I returned to those things, I got another thing. So I have 4 things to show you. 2 tops, I've got a pullover, a dress. They're super cute, so this is gonna be fun. Something that's important to me is finding tops that are like cute enough that they could be casual or dressy. I liked this one a lot. It actually, can you see, it's got these buttons going down the back, which was really fun. But to me, this is like a kind of a step up. You can't really, I don't know if you can tell from this, but it's a fun material. So it's like, to me, it's not too casual or too dressy. I really think it depends on the accessories, so it's perfect. I also don't normally like go for things that are white just because I myself am so pale, but I thought that the pops of color were just right, and so I thought it was fun. I think this top is one of my favorites I got. I love things that are colorful or pink, like, so this is kind of perfect having such bright colors. But yeah, this is like a really fun blouse. When I spotted it, I was like, this is gonna look perfect with my white pants, my little dress pants. So this is really cute. I just love things like this that feel like a little, like I feel like I could find this maybe in an Anthropologie or like something funky and fun. It also matches perfectly with these pink corduroy pants I have from Anthropologie that I'm just like obsessed with, and I wear them so much when it's like cold enough to wear. So I know I'm gonna wear this then. I'm just like, this one, yes. The only downside is this is one of those tops that like has strings in the front, and like the strings are literally beaded, and I'm like, what do y'all do? Those of you who wear like blouses, like especially if you wear this to work, I'm like, do you tie them together? Do you cut them off? Right now I just like had them tucked in the shirt, but I'm like, what do you do when these shirts have these strings? Because like it just feels so weird to me. Like, do I just let it hang? Do I tie it in a bow? Like, what is the move? Will I get to wear this before September or October? Probably not, but I am obsessed with this pullover. It gives me like vibes of the Lululemon Scuba, and I really wanted the pink one last year, but I could never find it in stock, and like I kind of was like, I don't really want the Lululemon version. I wish it had a pocket. It doesn't. But I just, the color blocking, it brings me back. I think it's so fun. I just really was excited when I saw this. I'd been shopping in women's, but I saw these colors in juniors and I like ran because I was like, I need this. And all the girls shopping, they were like young. Like the one girl was 14 talking to a girl who was 16. She was like, you have a car? And I was like, oh, I'm too old to be here. But I got this. I love this. It's gonna be so fun to wear. Okay, I'm calling this now. I'm going to be wearing this dress in like so many future vlogs or TikToks. I just think it's so cute. It actually falls to like the perfect length. You can't see it, but I just love the denim. I always enjoy denim anyways, but it's very flattering. It's fun. It's gonna match everything. And this is the kind of thing where I can carry, like, I love having really colorful purses or kind of funky shoes. And I'm like, I like to wear something kind of like calm and cool like this, and then make it pop with like a bright pink or bright red purse and like crazy earrings. Like, I just really love this. So this is what happened when I went to return 2 things and I came out with 1. So this is a really cute time though, and I know I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this one. Those are all of the pieces of clothing I bought from Marshall's. I hope you like them. If you have a favorite or you have any styling ideas, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this vlog and hanging out with me. If there's anything you want me to know at all, let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to leave a thumbs up. It's how I know what to make for you. And if you feel like it, you should subscribe. And I'll see you next week in my next video. Bye!